Good evening, my dear brothers and sisters, and greetings and blessings as well for all those who are with us through our live streaming sa Facebook page ng Chapel of the Eucharistic Lord. Ang pagpapala ng Diyos ay sumainyo. This Gospel Pericope has become one of my favorites, no? Na mga tagpo kung saan si Jesus ay nagpagaling ng may sakit. Sapagkat unang-una sa lahat, we see Jesus as our divine healer. Si Jesus ang pinagmumulan ng ating kagalingan, and so we always pray to Him for healing of our physical bodies and of our spirits. And apart from that, it has become my favorite because the setup of the gospel episode for today is reminds us of our role as Christians, bilang mga Kristiyano. Paano nga ba tayo dapat kumilos? Paano tayo na makitungo sa bawat isa? Why? We have heard in the story that when people knew that Jesus was in His house, they flocked together. Nagpunta yung mga tao sa Kanya kasi naririnig na yung mga kababalaghang ginagawa ni Jesus. Sikat na siya noon. That is why yung kanyang lugar ay punong-puno na ng tao. But there was a paralytic who was brought by his friends, 4 unnamed friends of the paralytic. Siguro nung nakita nila ng napakaraming tao, hindi yata tayo makakasiksik dito dahil medyo may dala tayo na na stretcher. Masikip, hindi tayo makakasiksik para maidala natin papalapit kay Jesus. Ito nga kaibigan nating ito. So what they did was, sa kagulat-gulat ng lahat, ay umakyat sila sa bubong at tinungkab yung bubong para maidala pababa yung kaibigan nilang paralytic. That's what made it special. Bakit? These unnamed 4 friends of the paralytic, because of their faith in Jesus, they went all the way. Diba? Isipin niyo yun, umakyat sa bubong. Meron ka bang kaibigan na ganyan, kayang umakyat ng bubong para tungkabin yung yero ng kapitbahay ninyo? Wala. Diba? Pero itong ganito, ang gandang picture ng mga kaibigan na naglalapit sa atin kay Jesus. They would go all the way for us to be closer to Jesus. And I believe that is one role that we should do in our own prayer lives as Christians. We are intercessors. Tayo ay mga tagapamagitan. Sa mga panalangin natin, hindi lamang importante yung mga personal nating hinihiling sa Diyos, yung mga personal nating mga panalangin, pero yung mga panalangin na ipinagkakatiwala sa atin ng mga mahal natin sa buhay. I became a priest not because I am worthy of becoming a priest. Actually, kung titingnan maigi, baka mas marami pang ibang tao na mas worthy to become a priest compared to me. But you know what? It made me realize that my priesthood is not just about my own making, and at the same time, magaling ako. Hindi. Because there were people who prayed for me. May mga taong nagdasal na dumami sana ang mga pari, na magkaroon sana ng mga pari. Kaya, I believe that this priesthood of mine is not about my prayer, but it's about the prayer of the people who asked from the Lord. And maybe the same with our own situations. You are there, yan yung sitwasyon mo ngayon, ikaw ay maunlad, ang pamilya ninyo ay maayos, maayos yung pagsasama ninyo mag-asawa because there were people who prayed and continuously praying for you. And that's a beautiful picture of what Christianity should be. We are intercessors for one another. At sana yun yung wag nating kakalimutan. Kaisa tayo ng 4 na mga hindi pinangalanan ng ating ebanghelyo para dalhin papalapit ang mga panalangin ng bawat isa kay Jesus. Yung mga kahilingan at mga papuri ng bawat isa kay Jesus. In that way, we become truly a church. No? Nagkakaisa para sa paglapit sa ating Panginoon. Maybe to end, there was this social experiment that was done in African children. No, one time, the researcher gave an instruction to African children. No? They were maybe 10 of them. Sabi ng researcher, okay, I have here a basket of goodies, candies, and food. I will place it under that tree, tinuro niya, and whoever walks faster or the fastest and reach that place, he or she will own that basket of goodies. So yung mga bata, nag-usap-usap sila. Halika, no? And then after a while, nag-send na ng signal yung researcher, okay, 1, 2, 3, go! And to his surprise, itong researcher, anong ginawa ng mga bata? Imbis na sila ay magpaunahang tumakbo, naghawak-hawak ng kamay ang mga bata, sabay-sabay na humakbang patungo doon sa lugar kung nasaan yung basket, at nung sabay-sabay nilang marating yon, kinuha nila yung basket at hinati among themselves equally yung laman ng basket. What a beautiful picture of what a church should be. Tayo dapat ay nagdadala papalapit sa bawat isa kay Jesus. My dear brothers and sisters, this is the grace that we would like to ask in this Mass. That truly, as we become prayers or man and women of prayer, we also become intercessors for one another. Nawa, dalhin natin papalapit ang bawat isa kay Jesus. Prayer of the Faithful. Jesus saw the faith and the efforts of those who lowered the paralytic before him and so healed the paralyzed man. Let us draw to Jesus when we are afflicted in body and soul. Our response will be, Lord, hear our prayer.
Lord, hear our prayer.
Lord,